What's going on, everybody? Check it out. The fries, the jumbo shrimps, and then I got the little baby shrimps, and I got the catfish nuggets. Check them out. Let's go, Cowboys. Let's go. Check it out. Check it out. Woo, look at that. Come on, defense. Fumble. He got a fumble. Come on, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, yeah, the Cowboy game's on, everybody. Let's show you. Hey, come on. Come on, Cowboy. Check it out. Check it out. Woo, looking good. Looking good. Kids are ready to dig in. Check it out. Oh, yeah, I do it like that. Check it out, everybody. Come on, defense. Come on, defense. Oh, that's what I like. Woo, I like that. Like that. They doing too. He doing too much. Quarterback doing too much. Woo, check it out. Okay, let me get a little close. There you go. Pop. Right there. Oh, Lord. That's how it's supposed to be. Right there. Check it out. There you go. You a vampire? You can have it. Check it out, y'all. All right, everybody. Come on, defense. Ain't nothing. Let's go, Cowboy. Let's upset. Woo, check it out, y'all. Check it out. Check it out. Looking good, looking good, looking good. That's the baby shrimps. Then I got the jumbo shrimps right here. The little jumbo shrimps. Tails off and everything. Split down the middle. Oh, yeah. Look at that fish though. Let's go, y'all. Punt that ball. Yeah, let's go, Cowboy. Defense is looking good. Defense looking good. Let's go. All right, y'all. Peace out. Got to get back to the game. All right. Check it out. Oh, they going for it like a dummy because I know that quarterback. He like that. So check it out. Peace out, everybody. God bless. Ooh, look at that. Man, time for a feast on a Cowboy game. Peace out.